Hey friends, if you wish to debloat Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. On the list on the left hand side, select apps, select installed apps in the right pane. Wait for it to load. Scroll down and see whatever apps are unnecessary and just uninstall them, especially Windows specific apps, because Windows comes built in with a lot of applications. Okay, the next one is disk cleanup, and open disk cleanup and then click on OK and then check all of these boxes. Click on OK and then click on delete files. Okay, this will start deleting unnecessary files from your system. And the last thing that you can try is go to downloads, and you will see a lot of files in the downloads folder which you may not need. Actually, I don't need any of them, so I will simply delete them, and that actually helps us with a lot of space. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.